collab. All the C's. Share chat for sure with the browser sources in each corner. What PNG software do I use? I just use the Discord stream kit thing. I forget what it's called, but I just use one that you can use custom CSS in OBS. I'll send you my little frog in a moment. Not in a moment. After stream. Lost me at CSS. Yeah, don't worry about it. I'll just send you my frog, and I'll get you set up as well. This is looking good so far. It's looking nice and consistent. Gazo is irking you. I can show you how my thing's set up. Where's my... Here you go. Here's my OBS. Where's my frog? Frog orange. So I've got a URL, which is like Discord stuff, and then I've got custom CSS. So that is my user ID in Discord. And then I've got images for both the talking version and the non-talking version. And it's essentially just that. That's all it is. Now let's hide that away. So that's literally what it is I just changed those numbers and the links. But the URL is... You know how you can get like the icons for who's talking in a Discord channel? It's essentially that, but it replaces the icons with a picture of whichever user it is that's talking. So I'm currently in my server VC, my hidden one, and that's how it works for me. And I can get yours set up in the same way. I love Hollow Knight music so much. I might switch the playlist to only Hollow Knight music in a moment. Because as much as I love Nintendo music generally, none of the layman coding in the CSS... I mean, the rest of the coding is stuff I have no idea what it does. But I don't need to know the rest of it. I need to know the parts that I edit. It's only those parts that you need to have any knowledge of. Do I need to do another one? Yes, but I don't know where this stitch is. Where is this stitch? Hold on, that's gone weird. Is that the stitch? That doesn't look like the stitch. 1 second. I've lost my stitch. Oh, there it is. It's folded into itself. Don't lose that one, please. Is that backwards? No, it's not. That's better. There we go. Get confused looking at a receipt? Yeah, no, don't worry about it.